Everything but the kitchen sink? Well, almost. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. For this recipe, I used 8 squares of white almond bark, 1 1/3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 3/4 of a cup of toffee bits, 1 1/2 cups of mini marshmallows, and 1 1/2 cups of wavy potato chips broken into small pieces. I also used 2 large microwave-safe bowls, 2 lined baking sheets, a spatula, and a scoop. You can find the full recipe at randymakescandy.com. Links in the description. And if you decide to make this, let me know how it turned out. Okay, let's make some candy. Start by putting the marshmallows in the freezer. They need to be cold before they go into the warm chocolate so they stay intact. Melt the almond bark and semi-sweet chips separately, each in its own microwave-safe bowl. 30 seconds in the microwave, then a stir. Repeat it until both are smooth. Add the toffee bits to the almond bark, then the potato chips, and fold gently until everything is coated. Now pour the melted semi-sweet chocolate over the top. Let the chocolate cool on the counter for 10 or 15 minutes. You're looking for fluid but not hot. If you can hold the bottom of the bowl comfortably, you're ready. If you have an eye or a thermometer, aim for 90 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit before the marshmallows go in. They'll drop the temperature another few degrees on contact. While we're waiting, leave a comment if you have a recipe suggestion for a future video. Add the frozen marshmallows and fold just enough to get them coated. I was going for a marbled effect, 2 distinct chocolates in every cluster. As you can see, it didn't happen. By the time the marshmallows were folded in, the 2 chocolates had fully blended. If I just combined them in one bowl from the start, I'd have gotten the same result with 1 less bowl and a couple of minutes saved. Remember, I make mistakes, so you don't have to. You can find the corrected recipe at randymakescandy.com. Scoop mounds of the mixture onto the lined baking sheets. Let them set at room temperature for 45 minutes to an hour, or refrigerate them for 15 to 20 minutes if you're in a hurry. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. There is a lot going on here, and it's all good. You get the creamy chocolate up front, and the toffee comes in with that buttery crunch. The potato chips bring a salty snap, and the marshmallows give you that soft chewiness. If you've ever stood in the kitchen and couldn't decide what to use in your candy recipe, you really ought to try these. 3/4 of a cup. They need to be cold before they go in.